Welcome guys to the third video in this series. In this video we're going to continue with the flex container property. We're going to be looking at the flex direction. The previous video we looked at display flex, which made our flex items align horizontally side by side from left to right. Okay, but this time around let's see how flex direction can help us change the orientation of our flex items. Now what we are going to do, we're going to go to our code and I'm going to add a new property called flex direction. So flex direction, the default is row. If I set it to row guys and I go back to my page and refresh, you'll notice you can't see any change in our page here. So but when we change this from row, we have another option called column. The column will make our flex items to stack up vertically, okay, and occupy the block space line by line. So this is the flex direction property of column. Guys, we have another option for row and column. We have what we call the row reverse. When we set it to row reverse, what we're going to see is that item 9 would start from the top. So it's going to go like, I think this is going where ascending. Yes, this is, but it's going to change now to descending order. So where 9, 8, 7, 6. So let me refresh. Okay, yes guy, so don't forget I was thinking I was on the column reverse. So this is row reverse. Okay, so initially row starts from left to right, but row reverse means that it's going to start for the other hand of the viewport. Do you understand? And start from the IS number or whatever. It's just going to change the position. So similarly for column reverse is just the opposite for column. But before I put the column reverse, let's see what our column shows on the screen. So this is column, right? Top to bottom, ascending order. So now I can change it to column reverse, and I know what, guys, you already know what's going to happen. Oh sorry, column reverse. Okay, then I save it and I refresh the page, guys. It's going to start from 9 and all down to 1. So you can see the options that are available for flex direction. So the option available for flex direction, we have the row, we have the row reverse, we also have the column to change the orientation, and column reverse. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand this. Please make sure you understand, as in the next video we are going to see other properties that are applied to the flex container, not the item, once again. So guys, I'm going to stop this video here, and I'm going to stop this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. But don't forget guys to please like and subscribe Rich Tech Solutions Code, which is your plug for coding tutorials, and by subscribing you turn on your notifications so that when we upload new videos you will get a bell notification, and you get to see when we upload these videos in this series. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.